Hello guys, this is Onotu from Techsuplex.com. Today we'll be looking at the unboxing of the PS4. As we all know, the PS was officially released in the UK on 29th, that was yesterday. We're at Techsuplex, we just got ours today on the 30th of November. And as you can see, still sealed. And it's pretty good. This was bought as a bundle. It came in a box with Battlefield 4, which is pretty good. Very good game. It's going for £389 as a bundle. It's the quickest way to get instead of queuing up the whole day. Right, let's get on to it. It's quite light. It's pretty good. On it you've got ads that's of different games that are available now, and you have Knack, Second Son, Assassin's Creed, that's Black Flag, and Watchdog. You've got other accessories on the bottom so you see the one you want. Right, let's cut it open. Just got my cutter here, and we shall do the honors. Oh, that was easy. Right, open it up, and wow, yep, that's it. Okay, put this. Okay, I'll lay flat here. You all can see. Right. Okay, first things first. It's a controller, of which we've all seen from trailers and so. This is the touchpad, say for motion sensor. This is to share, if you want to share your scores or something. The option buttons, it's like the old one, but it's pretty slick and it's beautiful. Let's see. Wow, that's it. It's trying to connect to something. Right, that's that. Place that here. What else is in the box? You've got the booklet that says welcome to all the PlayStation. The quick start guide. Yep, that's that. And okay, the power cable. It's the USB for charging the controller. The earbuds with a microphone, which is pretty good if you're going to be chatting while playing online. This is the USB. Go with it as usual. And let's go to the main console. Okay. Oh, didn't feel heavy at first, but it does now. Okay, so this is the logo, and this is the front. It's got the PS4. I don't know if you can see it there. It's got Sony written here, and to the back, USB, auxiliary, and LAN. What else? Yeah, power cable right here. So you've got all of them there. That's the auxiliary, the power, LAN, and HDMI. Right, I think you're meant to stand it like this. That's if you've got the stand. So it'll be something like this. And I think I'll just leave mine like this. It looks pretty good. Looks sleek, is alright. Alright, let's get back. What else is in here? Let's see, what's this? System software update, don't miss out on the plan. Right, so that's pretty everything. So let's try it out. Alright, I've put the PS4 under the TV. I'm ready to put it on. I'm going to use the old HDMI I had before. Just don't need opening the new one because the other one is still plugged in, so I'll just use that one. Right, I know I'm meant to power the controller up before using, but let's see if it works. If it works now. Let's see. Nope, there's something wrong then. Okay, what's that sound? Alright, so that didn't work with the controller, so let's see what goes on here. Hope I plugged it in. It's meant to push. And that's it. It's on. And I'll put the TV on. See what comes on. Well, that's pretty good. We're on. Plug the. Right, so I'll put the controller in. Well, that's in. By the way, there are two USB ports right in front. I didn't get to say that earlier. And it's taking us through a bit. Right. Okay. I'm going to push the PS button now. Let's see what happens. Yep, English. Internet connection. Let's see. Wi-Fi. Sky. And password. That's the password in. You've got this light coming on, that's pretty cool. Right, connect PlayStation camera, blah blah blah. Nope, skip. Yep, and then what's today? 30th. Okay, accept and start now. Well, with the new interface, still you can get your way around it. And let's go into, no, not what's new, the Playroom, browser, then downloads. Right, let's see, let's go back to Live from PlayStation, Playroom. Let's see what's in the Playroom. To fully experience the Playroom, you need the PlayStation camera. Okay, so let's just go out. It's got this little intro, and the controller is vibrating. Alright, so I'll get you out of this now. onto the playroom, and I'll put the Battlefield 4 and see how it goes. Yeah, unboxing this one as well. Alright, Battlefield 4. I'll slide it in now. Right, I must update the system to the version blah blah blah. Let's do that. And next update, and that's how we go. So we'll be right back. So while this is going on, I'll just give you a list of everything that the PS4 has. It's 500 gig hard drive. It has one controller, one headset, the one I showed you earlier, micro USB cable, that's for the controller, HDMI cable, the power cable, the PS Plus code, which is in the starter pack, and that's about it. So let's accept, update, or more to update. Be right back. It's all done. It's meant to come on now. Alright, the system just went off, so it's meant to restart it. It's a very long installation. Also, the PS4 has this blinking light to the top, which looks like a saver, but it's very good. Okay, this is pretty fast. And now it's back on. Let's see if it works this time. Okay, follow the instructions. Okay, new user. Okay. That's the button. No, not again. I don't think it's meant to be taken this long. Okay, here we go. Very good. Right. Alright, let's go to campaign, just a quick game before I sign up for the day. It's loading. Okay. Okay, I'm going to skip this. Probably watch it later if it lets me. Alright, this is gameplay. It's pretty good. Graphics is very good.
I'm gonna shot you in the face. I lost your tail. Ease up, Pack.
And that's about it for
After the handoff with parachute, I came straight here.
the unboxing of the PS4.
Step ups, 1 second to there, the next one.
Take deep breaths, son.
I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe and also check the website, Techsuplex.com. Thank you for watching.
I thought he was with you. Breaking radio silence. Tombstone.